And I want you to just imagine this beautiful white light coming down. And it's coming down and it's just surrounding you. It's like you've got this beautiful bubble of white love that surrounds you. And imagine, if you will, that this is the love of God. That just for the next few moments, that you are really being held by the hands of God. That you can really let go. That you really can spend these precious moments and allow yourself to be held. Because you are loved. And when I say love, I mean the real stuff. Unconditional. As we just sink into that thought, I really am loved. Give yourself permission to be loved. And allow this love to do what it does. Allow the love to go into every nook and cranny, every little space. Even those spaces sometimes we don't want to let it in. Allow yourself to surrender. All of it. Say that. I surrender, God. I surrender it all to you. Come now. Fill me. Be with me. Even in those parts where it's hard for me to do, God. Especially come in there. And if there's something you have going on in your life, just in your own mind, just bring it up into awareness. Imagine, if you will, just putting it in the hands of God. It's okay, you're safe. It's okay if this really hurts. It's okay if you're just not sure. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. And let in light. And as you continue to be filled with this light and this love of God, maybe there's something else or someone else that you'd like to share this with. And if you think about this person or this event or this thing that's going on, why don't we surrender that over into the light as well? Why don't you just see this person just being surrounded with love, with this white light? Just know that God is here. and that light that you're sharing is the light and the love of God. And keep sharing, and keep sharing, and keep sharing. And just imagine this light is just going all around Mother Earth. And now I just want you to imagine this great big ball of light surrounding Mother Earth, totally surrounded by the love of God, going everywhere it needs to go. Where there is war, let there be peace. Where there is hatred, let there be love. Where there is confusion, let there be clarity. Just keep sending that love, and now as we slowly start the process of starting to come back, maybe take a moment and thank Spirit for all the blessings, all the things that we can see and all the things that we can't see, because they're always here. I'm just so much grateful, so much gratitude.